Hi guys, and welcome to this week's video tutorial. This will be chapter 10 from Basic Midgame Tactics, and it will deal with the topic of delivering a check or killing the enemy. This chapter can be viewed as a culmination of all the basic tactics that have been introduced over the past many videos. So the kills shown, the examples are quite exciting, and I think this is a perfect example, perfect chapter for beginners to learn their craft. So without further ado, let us start our first example. At this point in time, we can see that red, material-wise, red would have one cannon, one horse and one chariot, full guard, 2 pawns. Black would have 2 chariots, 3 pawns and a full guard. Material-wise, both will be even, as one chariot is equivalent to 1 horse and 1 cannon. But red would now be attacking. He would already have a central cannon controlling the central file, and the presence of the chariot over here would mean that there's always the threat of a checkmate if the black chariot were not here. Now obviously this chariot is left with the duty of guarding the bottom rank and prevent from attack by the red chariot. And the remaining black chariot was placed in a not very ideal position, but thus far red's main option would be to move the horse to go for a kill, but the chariot would be protecting against this possible elbow horse checkmate at this point. So how can red deliver a kill? The first move would be to play h7 plus 6, whereby red will now threaten to checkmate with h6 by 7 for the elbow horse checkmate. Black would be forced to defend to prevent this from happening. Now, at this point in time, red would sacrifice his chariot for this very brilliant kill. Now, by playing r2 plus 9, the chariot cannot leave this intersection, or cannot leave this intersection now. Now, red would also, because of this move, red would have the extra option of delivering a check with the Pelcorner horse, because the chariot cannot move to block it. And now there's also the concomitant threat of h6 by 7. So this chariot can only guard 1 but not 2 of these threats, and red will win it very easily. So for example, if black would capture, now if h6 r3 minus 3, red would checkmate in this manner. The advisor cannot capture, or the cannon will be delivering a check, and this is why a central cannon is so powerful. So h6, red would deliver a check, and black would go for the horse cannon checkmate. The king cannot move in, or this would be a kill. So after sacrificing a chariot, red will manage to checkmate and win the game. So this is a very basic board, and if you like the work that I've been doing, please do subscribe to my channel, and I think this is very beneficial for beginners. Thank you.